This video is going to cover Objective PowerPoint 4.2 practice tasks. The first thing it asks us to do is to insert a clustered column chart. So we're going to go up to the Insert tab. In the Illustrations group, we're going to click on Chart, and then click OK for the first chart. Then it wants us to leave the Microsoft PowerPoint chart open and the chart in Microsoft PowerPoint window open as well. And we're going to go into the Excel workbook that also comes as a start file. So you're going to open up the 4.2 workbook, and you're going to select A3 and just click right in the center of it, over and down through C12. And you're going to hit copy, or you can hit Control C on your keyboard. Then you're going to minimize the Excel workbook, and we're going to click on A1 here, and you're just going to hit Control V as in Victor. Once you hit Control V as in Victor, and it's important to click on A1 first because it may copy in a little different if you don't, it asks us to remove Series 3. So you're just going to left click one time on the D right here, then right click and hit Delete. Now that Series 3 has been removed, it asks us to change the average brushing teeth to 4 and the conservative brushing teeth to 2. Now make sure you don't leave this in here insertion point blinking NC2. Go ahead and click somewhere outside of that so the information registers then down in your chart. Then you're going to go ahead and close out of this window here. Oops. And then from here it asks us to change the chart type to a stacked line with markers. So we're going to go up to the top right corner of your chart design tab. Again, you will not have these two tabs unless you're clicked on your chart. So make sure you're on your chart. Click on Change Chart Type, and we're going with Line. And mine's going to be the fifth one over, stacked line with markers. And sometimes your guys, this might be in a different order. So we're going to click on that, and then we're going to hit OK to change that chart type. After the chart type's been changed, we're going to apply Layout 5 to the chart. So go over to Quick Layout. Mine's going to be over 1, down 1, Layout 5. And then we're going to click on Chart Title, and then you're just going to start typing water consumption. And then you're going to put gallons in parentheses. After you've typed that in for the title, it asks you to display slide 2 and do the following. Switch the row and column values over the axis so that the columns are clustered by month and the legend identifies the minimum, maximum, and average series. So again, you need to be selected on the chart in order for those extra 2 tabs to be up. And we're clicking on the Chart Design tab. And we want to switch the row and column data, which doesn't look like it's an option. So give me 1 second. Okay, we're actually going to do it from this option here. So we're going to click where it says Select Data. And when this opens up, right here, you're going to click Switch Row and Column. Once you do that, go ahead and hit OK. Then you've now switched so that the minimum, average, and maximum are now showing over in the legend. The next step says to display slide 3 and do the following. So we're going to go to slide 3. You can close out of that if that's still open. And we are going to choose Layout 7 for this particular chart. Once you're again selected on it, you can go to Chart Design, and we are going with Style 7. So Style 7 is going to be here in the Chart Styles. Then select only the area and apply the Intense Effect Orange Accent 6 shape style. So in order to make sure that you have a specific area or element of the chart selected, the easiest way to do that, especially if you don't know what the element of the chart is go over to Format, and then over here on the left, you're going to see a drop-down menu in which each of the different elements of the chart can be selected. So this is asking us to select the chart area, and then we're going to format it using the Intense Effect Orange Accent 6 shape style. So we're going to go into our shape styles, and we are looking for Orange Accent 6. I was in the wrong group of oranges, so we're going to go last column, at least on my screen anyway, and looking for Intense Effect Orange Accent 6. Once you've completed that step, the next step asks us to select the chart title and apply the fill. So we're going to go over here and make sure that the chart title is selected. and we are going with a fill white outline green accent color 1, glow green accent color 1 word art style. So we're going to start with the fill, and we're just going to go here, and we're going to use the white outline green accent. Okay, so sorry, it's not actually going to be a shape fill. The whole thing is called a fill in the word art style. So mine's going to be 4 over 1 down, fill, white, outline, accent, color 1, glow, green, accent color 1. Okay, then for each pie slice, explode the data points in the chart by 20%. Then set the angle of the first slice to 200 degrees. So we are looking to do specifics for the actual chart of the pie. So here we're just going to double click on the pie, and that's going to open up the Format Data Series pane. What this is doing when it says series is it's going to actually explode each piece of the pie, not just a single point. You would have to click on a single point if you wanted a single point to change. So we are going to explode all of the points by 20%. I'm just going to do 20 and hit enter. Then set the angle of the first slice to 200 degrees. Again, just hit enter. Then change the position of the chart legend from bottom to right. So we could do this a couple of different ways. Here's the chart here, the legend. Easiest is just to click on it, and we're going to change the legend position from bottom to the right. And this completes Objective 4.2 practice tasks.